Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to plug in your electronic wind instrument 5000 because there are surprisingly many ways how you can play it and hear it. If you ended up watching this episode and haven't yet set up your instrument, go check my first episode. I will link it up there. So this series is for everyone who is wanting to learn how to play your AkaiPro Electronic Wind Instrument 5000, and for those who are possibly interested in buying one. There's no need to have any kind of background on any kind of instruments. Obviously it helps if you know music theory. First of all, you get a wireless receiver. And that looks like this. There's two holes here and then there's USB port here. You will also get a USB cable and the wall plug for that. So the first way we kinda already covered on the previous episode, but we didn't really talk about it, is to just plug your instrument to your PC and use it as MIDI controller. There are several VST hosts and free VSTs for this. We are not going to cover it on this video, but I will be making another video of that at some point, definitely, because this is kinda important. The second easiest way is to plug in your headphones, so you can just play your instrument without no one else even hearing you play it. That's really nice when you want to practice late or you just need to be quiet and you want to practice. The next option is to actually plug in your instrument with this kind of cable that has similar small jacks on both ends of the cable. So basically you plug it in your instrument and then you put it in aux in of any speaker system. You might have studio monitors, you even might have PC speakers that will take that kind of plug. That's a very simple way too. So next option is to plug in the jack cable, which is going to be plugged in here next to the USB connector, and then plug the other end to, for example, mixer or amp. I myself am using the mixer directly. I'm not even using the wireless very often. Then I can either use my headphones to listen through the mixer or just route the sound to my studio monitors. What makes this instrument amazing is that you can actually play it wireless. In that case, you need to plug in your USB cable here so the receiver will get power, and then if you have a mono cable, just plug it in here and again mixer, amp, and then just use the wireless mode of your instrument so you can play it wireless. No need to be tied in one spot. There is one more way at least to plug it in. So if you have a MIDI interface or MIDI compatible interface, you can use actually a MIDI cable to plug it in. I don't have such a thing and I don't really need it because it's so simple to use it as USB MIDI device, so I haven't even thought about it really. I leave some links to the cables on my description so you can check out the cables I was talking about. Let me know on the comment section how you plug in your instrument and how you like to play it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I want to thank my patrons for making all this YouTube and music making possible. And if you would like to support me, we have a Christmas campaign going on Patreon. I also leave the link up here and also in my description. All the patrons will get my Christmas EP download code for Bandcamp, so feel free to check it out. Patrons can also access almost all of my YouTube videos early, and there's some awesome other kind of perks for the supporters too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye bye!